Lipstick is more than just makeup. It's a little tube of confidence. It's a way to express yourself without saying a single word. Think about it for a second. With just a swipe of color, you can completely change your look and your mood. Feeling bold and powerful? A deep red lipstick can help you conquer your day. Or maybe you're feeling soft and romantic. Then a pretty pink is your best friend. Lipstick honestly has this amazing power to transform. It's such a small detail, but it makes a huge impact, letting your personality shine through in the most beautiful and colorful way imaginable. It's kind of like your personal signature for the day. The fun of lipstick is in its endless possibilities. There are so many shades, so many finishes. Glossy, matte satin sheer. Each one tells a different story. You can match your lipstick to your outfit. You can match your lipstick to your mood. You can match your lipstick to the season. It's almost like having a wardrobe just for your lips. Playing with lipstick is a creative journey. You get to be the artist. Your lips are the canvas. Don't be afraid to experiment with colors you've never tried before. You might just discover a new favorite. That new favorite can make you feel absolutely amazing. It can make you totally ready to take on the world. Many of us have a special memory connected to lipstick. Maybe it was watching your mom get ready for a special night out, carefully applying her favorite shade. One of the most common lipstick frustrations is when it ends up on your teeth. It can feel a little embarrassing, but there is a super easy fix for this. After you have applied your lipstick, form your mouth into an O shape. Put your clean index finger into your mouth. Gently close your lips around it. Pull your finger straight out. You'll see the excess lipstick transfer onto your finger. This simple trick removes any color that was close enough to touch your teeth, making sure your smile stays bright and lipstick-free all day long. Smudging, feathering. The secret weapon against this is a good lip liner. Carefully outline your lips with a liner that matches your lipstick, or with one that matches your natural lip color. For extra staying power, fill in your entire lip with the liner, then apply your lipstick. This acts as a primer, giving the color something to hold onto and preventing it from wandering. What about when your lipstick looks patchy or uneven? This often happens when your lips are dry. Smooth lips are the key to a smooth application. Exfoliate with a soft bristled toothbrush, or use a simple sugar scrub. Sugar, honey, coconut oil. Mix them together in a small bowl. Gently rub it on your lips in circular motion. Wipe it off. This little bit of prep work will create a perfectly smooth canvas for your lipstick to glide on evenly. The first step to a flawless lipstick look is all about preparation. You wouldn't paint on a rough canvas. Don't apply lipstick to dry, flaky lips. Start by gently exfoliating. Use a lip scrub, or use a damp washcloth to softly buff away dead skin. This makes your lips incredibly smooth. After exfoliating, it's time to hydrate. Apply a nourishing lip balm to moisturize and soften. Let the balm sit for a few minutes while you do the rest of your makeup. This gives it time to absorb and deeply hydrate for a plump, healthy look. Now define your shape with a lip liner. This step is a game changer. Choose a lip liner that closely matches your lipstick. Start at the center of your upper lip. Carefully trace your Cupid's bow. Continue to line the rest of your upper and lower lips, following your natural line. A sharp pencil gives the most control and precision. For extra staying power, use the side of the pencil to lightly fill your lips. This creates the perfect foundation for lipstick. With lips prepped and lined, it's time for color. Apply lipstick straight from the tube for a bold look, or use a lip brush for more precision. If using the tube, start at the center of your lips. Swipe outwards toward the corners. Press your lips together gently to distribute color evenly. Let's quickly recap these simple steps to a perfect pout. It all starts with creating a smooth canvas. Prep your lips by exfoliating. Moisturize so your color can glide on beautifully. Use a lip liner to define your shape. Prevent feathering or bleeding. When applying lipstick, take your time. Build the color in thin layers. Blot. Powder. These steps may seem like a lot at first, but they quickly become a simple routine. Have fun. Feel confident. Makeup is a tool to express yourself. Not about following strict rules. Not about trying to look like someone else.